glass bowl. Hi guys! Today we'll make a science experiment. Are you interested in it?
Yes!
Okay, it's called fire snake. For that, we'll need some sand. Yes. And some sugar, baking soda, lighter fluid, and a lighter. All right. Oh, that is gonna make our experiment. Let's go! Let's go. What is it? It's lighter fluid. Yes, that is preparing the ground. Do not try to repeat at home without an adult's supervision because it's science and we have to be careful. Please mixing sugar and baking soda. Ready?
No, I will not.
What is it, Daddy? Ah, it's not working. Daddy! Oh, it's on fire. I see. It smells bad. Oh, open the window now. Window. Yes. This is called when experiment went wrong. Yes, our glass bowl got broken. Thank God that me and my husband took the table outside, so there is no danger around. Fire can be extinguished, and we can see some kind of serpent coming out of it. Do not try to repeat at home because our daddy is a pharmacist. That's why we really rely on him. I guess we had enough of experiments, so we're extinguishing the fire. Yes, we see the serpent. We've got our fire snake. Guys, we do not recommend you to repeat this experiment indoors. Unless you are outdoors, you are safer to do it. Be careful with your children. Bye-bye.